Hello, my dear students. I hope you all have been doing well. Today we are going to discuss about experiment number 10, and in this experiment we would be discussing that how we can quantify the different protein from milk. So milk is our sample. On that we have to perform the experiment. So in the milk we what type of protein we are going to quantify. So we are going to quantify from the milk two protein. One is casein and other is albumin. So what we have to do to separate these two protein from the milk. So for the casein we have to take 5 ml of the given sample of milk, and then we have to add 1% acetic acid drop by drop until the precipitate appear. So the whatever the precipitate we would be having would be the precipitate of the one of the protein of milk, that is casein. And in another test tube we would be having 5 ml of the milk sample, and then we have to add in that 2 to 3 drop of concentrated H2SO4, and then we have to wait for 2 minutes and heat for 2 minutes. So after that, what the precipitate we would be having, these will be the precipitate of albumin. And then what we have to do for the extraction of these two protein from the milk, we have to add 5 ml of the milk and 3 ml of concentrated H2SO4. So and then what we have to do it means after the extraction and the after the precipitating these two protein from the milk, we have to weight the precipitate respectively. After performing each experiment we have to weight the precipitate, we have to filter the precipitate, we have to dry them, then we have to weight them, and then we have to calculate the percentage of all these of all these constituents of milk. So this is very extremely simple experiment, and I hope you would not be having any problem in performing that. So what we have to do, what is our objective? Our objective is to quantify different protein from the milk sample. And what type of protein we are going to quantify? These it will be the casein, albumin. And what we have to perform, what we have to do to quantify these two protein from the milk. First we have to perform the acetic acid test, and for this acetic acid test we have to take 5 ml of the milk and then 1 ml of acetic acid we have to add in that drop by drop. So the precipitate that we would be having, it would be the precipitate of casein, and then we have to filter it, then we have to dry it, then we have to weigh it, and after the formula by applying the formula of percentage, we have to calculate the percentage of this casein protein in the milk sample. And then similarly we have to perform the other test, that is the coagulation test, and in this test we have to add 5 ml of the milk solution, and then we have to add 2 to 3 drop of H2SO4, and we have to heat that. And then after heating we will be having the precipitate. We have to separate these precipitate, then we have to dry it, we have to first filter it, then dry it, then weight it, and after weighing up we have to apply the formula of a percentage to calculate the percentage, and then we have to write down in our results what percentage of this albumin protein we found in the given milk sample. And then we have to also perform the extraction method of these protein, and for that we would be we have to add 2 ml of 3 ml of concentrated H2SO4, and then we have to take our extract of milk, and then we have to filter it, dry it, and then weight it and calculate the percentage. So this was the whole experiment. I hope you would not be having any